Hello and welcome to my channel of Java Noobs. My name is Sharath and you are viewing my Java video tutorial series. If you haven't seen my previous videos, I would suggest you to see it first, and below is the link. Java Basics Part 1, Question 9. What is Mutable Object and what is Immutable Object? When you have the reference to an instance of an object and the contents of that instance can be altered, it is known as mutable objects. To put it in simple words, a mutable object is a kind of object whose state can be modified after it's created. Alright, and the best example of mutable objects is string buffer. Regarding immutable objects, when you have the reference to an instance of an object and the contents of that instance cannot be altered, it is known as immutable object. And the best way to put it across is an immutable object is a kind of object whose state cannot be modified after it's created. So once the object is created and if its state can be modified, it is mutable object, and once the object is created and if its state cannot be modified, it is known as immutable object. The best example, like I've mentioned earlier, for mutable objects is string buffer. For immutable objects it is string class. Some more examples of immutable objects are byte, character, double, float, integer, long, short and boolean classes. Okay, these classes are immutable classes in Java. Now what I will do is I won't be digging much deep into mutable and immutable objects because I'm making a separate tutorials on it. So when I get to the point where I can teach you about string and string buffer, what is the difference between string and string buffer, that's the time when I'll highlight on mutable and immutable objects so that you can understand it much better. For as of now, just know what the definition is. We'll just proceed, and when we get to the stage where I can teach, I will highlight on this once again. Anyways, thank you for watching, and if you like my videos, please go ahead and rate, comment and subscribe.